Switzerland, starting my road trip. Spend the night in my car, breakfast with champions. I'm going to Grindelwald right now. We're gonna go do some dope hikes up in the Alps. I decided that I'm gonna hike to the top of this mountain right there so I can get a view of these mountains over here. Now there's two options. I could have either taken a gondola, which would have cost me $60 round trip, or I decided to just drive my car up these random one-lane roads through these farms. And I'm just gonna hike to the top. Still got a ways to go, but once again, look at that view. Hiking my Vans like a boss. Who wears hiking shoes these days? Let's go left. I'm getting close. Probably another half mile. Straight up, baby. Straight up. That's how we do it. So I was just flying my drone, getting some insane shots, and I almost crashed it. I was literally inches from crashing in the ground. So what I was doing, see this steep ridge here? I was doing shots where I would fly it over me as I was hiking, and I didn't want to be looking at my controller because that looks gay. And so what I did is I flew it back in reverse, and since this hill's so steep, the elevation changes drastically. And I was flying it back, I didn't see it, and it literally skimmed like this grass here. And I like shot it up real quick and barely saved it. Man, I know God's looking out for me in my drone, because since I've been here in Europe, I've almost crashed it several times, almost lost it, had hawks after it, bees, you name it. My drone's been through it. I really do thank God for protecting my drone there. That was a close one. Sometimes you just gotta bag the trail and walk straight up the mountain to the top. Last stretch to the top. Last stretch, give it all, Ryan, give it all. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, people! We made it! We freaking made it! Made it to the top. But look at this, it's gorgeous. Oh man, I've just been sitting up here for the past hour. Just been flying my drone, relaxing, thinking. Did a few backflips. Look at that drone there, just sitting there so gracefully. You got a good day today. And we got my tripod right there. Then we got some goats down there. Then we got the lake right there. And we got the mountains. Just walking down now. Seriously, can't get enough of these views. Just like this whole, like the green grass, the green meadows, and then you got the lake here. There's like no vegetation except for grass, and then over here you got tons of pine trees. This is like the Switzerland that everyone imagines. It's unreal, absolutely unreal. My Vans are starting to hurt now. Maybe there's a reason people wear hiking shoes. I made it down. I'm just tired. I can't wait to get in my car. It's about another 5-10 minute walk, but I was all the way to the top. Oh, such a long climb. Okay.